Took a bit of a break when it came to this game, and I decided to play like some Wall Street Raider and some other games, and now I'm back to it. So it's gonna take me a bit of time to realize, hey, what's going on and stuff. But yeah, we're doing pretty well when it comes to stuff. We have some money left over for some more bonds, some more stocks, so we're doing okay. I'm probably just gonna keep. Yeah, so I just gotta get used to everything. They're easing now, so it's about time we start to load up on bonds. So now I know that I have $14,000. Yep. So we're gonna buy 16 long bonds. They pay a nice low rate. So now we're heavily towards bonds, which is okay. And it's gonna do a quick review. I think we're doing okay. Yeah, they paid off quite a bit of their debt, I believe. So yeah, Florida Lights is kicking butt. We're doing very well for investments when it comes to stuff. And so I feel like we are doing really, really well when it comes to this. And I'll go ahead and research the other company in our portfolio, which is Financial Shares Fund. There we go. We have a Financial Shares Fund. It's a sell, sadly. Analysts don't really like it. I feel like they've lost quite a bit of money. That's the problem with diversification in this game. Sometimes it doesn't work out the way you want it to. Yep. So I'm going to turn up the speed probably to 75. This is mainly going to be like a bit of a, I don't know, maybe a boring episode, but I feel like it's going to do pretty well because I feel like the prime rate might be able to drop a bit, so that'll be pretty handy. Oh, they dropped quite a bit. That's good news. Dropped quite a bit. So I'm going to reinvest some of the profits back into the good old Florida Lights because we had a big loss on it at the moment, but they're doing pretty well. Yeah, I'm just going to double check if they're still easing it. They're easing. It's easy money. Yeah, so our bond should be worth a lot more. Our bond portfolio should be outperforming. 4K, not bad. And our stock portfolio, we're a bit in the red. Sadly. But yeah, if you see our annual cash flow, we're actually doing pretty well. I think we started off with like $1.5 grand, so we're doing pretty well. Doing really well on government bond interest, so that's good. Hopefully they lower it to like 6. The prime rate to 6 or 5 or 4. 4 will be best. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's all over the place. What the heck? Could we still sell it for profit? Nope. That kind of sucks. I guess we're just laid a bad hand on there. They said that they were easing, they eased a little bit, and then they decided, so now they're back to tightening. So our portfolio is probably going to take a big hit now. I feel like I thought they were going to lower the rates a lot more. That was a big mistake, but yep. But we're making dividends, so that's good. I can throw those dividends into buying specifically just more like bonds or buy more stock. At the moment, we want to buy more stocks, but interest rates have to keep rising, so I think it means better. It's a better environment for basically bonds right now, which I kind of like. Yeah, but we were laid a bad hand. Gosh dang it. It's all good. It's all good. We just use our annual cash flow towards specifically just re-diversify into more bonds. I'm gonna go bond heavy this episode because the environment right now is really, really good for bonds. And probably not as good for stocks because when it comes to stocks and bonds, typically bonds are considered more safer. So I like bonds, especially when the environment for them is good. At the moment, in real life, we're in a pretty bad environment for bonds where interest rates are garbage low. even before COVID, they were really bad. Like, I think the highest overnight rate was 1.75% in Canada, and it's currently 0.25. So the environment for bonds just isn't as good as it used to be. So that kind of sucks. Yeah, my net worth chart, I have lost quite a bit of money, but I'm hoping that I can recover from that. We're doing long-term investing in this series, but I was tempted on putting that 13K towards like trading and stuff, getting some good returns temporarily. But I decided to go back into bonds, and that was a bit of a slight mistake at the moment. Yeah, but doing pretty well. Where is your competency? Yeah, so like a lot of people like this company. It's a bit of a hole at the moment though. Kind of sucks, but it's all good. Sadly, our bonds aren't doing as well as I thought they would, but it's all good. Yep. So now we wait it out. So they're actually going to keep raising up the rates. I'm actually going to go 99. Just let the time roll out. I have a Seeking Alpha and everything else. They send me a lot of emails and stuff. It's actually a little bit irritating. But yeah. Just going to let time play it out. Get dividends and stuff. Our portfolio is back to its all-time high. We're actually doing really well. That's a pretty bad dividend, but I'll take it. Yeah, so yeah, that's a disadvantage of going fast, is that when you go fast in the game, you don't really know what you're doing. But yeah, Florida Power is kicking butt. We made 15K profit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go until they have their next earnings report, which is December. It'll be a decent time to get shit off some Florida, but I don't want to. It's a bit, yeah. The environment is getting worse towards bonds, so therefore they're becoming worth more. That's good news. Another long-term buy, Florida Lights. It is split. Awesome. Yep, good buy for me on Florida Lights Power. Okay, and now is a good time, perhaps, to dump some bonds. Yeah, especially if they're tightening. So now we're going to sell our bonds for a profit. $64 bonds. Goodbye. $71K. So we have about 100K in stocks. That's most of it is coming from profit, though. We don't own any bonds at the moment. Let's see what the profit is. 32K. So we have about 70K in stocks, not including the profit. So we're about 50-50 right now. But I'm going to probably find another stock to buy and just buy like a small lot of it. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Maybe buy an extra $3,000 worth of this. 35, 55. I'm going to buy $3,000 worth. 84 shares. Around that 85. Dollar cost average, basically. We haven't made much of a loss on it, so it's kind of like not super good. But yeah, we're just gonna start pumping up a lot more stocks. I might buy $8,000 worth of another company. I don't know whether or not to go into utilities or not. They're typically stable. VEP looks pretty good. Good return on capital. Good dividend. Yeah, let's get into VEP. They're a bit overvalued, like when it comes to the price and book. So that gets me a little bit worried. And honestly, I feel like they're going to be good long-term buy, just because the utilities industry is pretty stable. What's the PE? 14. Not bad. Okay, I'll buy $8K worth of this. I'm not really diversifying at the moment. I'm going more like sector heavy towards utilities and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna buy 8K. That is about 118 shares. Let's do 120 just for fun. I'm gonna keep the rest in cash. Yeah, 59K in cash. We're going stock heavy this time. So now our annual cash flow is very low, but our dividends is doing pretty well. But yeah, we can once the prime rate it's like around 8, we can start eating up more bonds, and that'll be pretty awesome time for us. But yeah, I don't know whether or not it'll be a good time to shut off some stock or not. Like Florida Lights, we did really well on. We could theoretically sell it and go into VEP. Maybe we'll have to just do a quick analysis on that. FLA. They're a bit overvalued, but they have a good credit rating and a good return on capital and a good decent dividend yield. I feel like it'll be worth our time to hold this sucker. Not buy anymore though, we're just gonna hold it. So yeah, I feel like we're doing really well when it comes to our portfolio this episode. And that's gonna conclude it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching, by the way. Yeah, I'm trying to keep these episodes nice and short and quick, so that way people are happy with everything. And thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.